Getting the SC544 or SC554 error on your Ricoh printer. It's one of the most common issues with the fusing unit. And in this video, I'll explain what causes it, how technicians usually fix it. The SC544 and SC554 service call errors are related to the printer's fusing unit, where the thermopile detects a high temperature. In many cases, these errors are caused by accidental user damage to the fusing belt. Here's a breakdown on what service techs usually do to fix it. First, inspect the fusing unit for damage. 95% of the time, there will be damage to the fuser. If there is no damage, try to reset the SC code by executing SP5810002. Replace the faulty fuser with a new or second-hand unit. When you use a second-hand unit, perform SP37011116. Clean the machine and test the printer. Hope you found this video helpful. If you're into SC or service call error guides, consider hitting that subscribe button for more. And if you're curious about accessing service mode, check out this video.